How coffee can help protect the liver. There is evidence that it might be beneficial in other ways, particularly for your liver. The caffeine in coffee may do more than perk you up. There is evidence that it might be beneficial in other ways, particularly for your liver. The news gets better if you're a big coffee fan. You have a lower risk of liver disease if you drink more coffee. Researchers found that putting away 2 cups a day reduced the risk of cirrhosis by 44% and that 4 cups a day reduced it by 65%. Combating disease. Coffee may help you if you already have liver problems. It has been found that moderate amounts of caffeine, typically between 1 and 3 cups a day, can reduce the following conditions: fibrosis, cirrhosis, hepatitis B and C, non-alcohol-related fatty liver disease. How coffee helps. A chemical called paraxanthine is produced by your body when you digest caffeine, which slows the growth of scar tissue involved in fibrosis. In addition to helping fight liver cancer, alcohol-related cirrhosis, and non-alcohol-related fatty liver disease, this could also help fight hepatitis C. Coffee and cafestyl, 2 chemicals found in coffee, may help prevent cancer. Coffee and cafestyl are 2 chemicals in coffee, but some think moderate amounts of unsweetened coffee could work alongside the main treatments for the most common kind of liver cancer, hepatocellular carcinoma. Coffee's acids may be effective against the hepatitis B virus. According to one study, decaf coffee may offer the same health benefits as regular coffee. The key to taking care of your liver is still your lifestyle, no matter how beneficial coffee is to you. Eat healthful foods, limit alcohol consumption, maintain a healthy weight, be vaccinated against hepatitis A and B, avoid sharing needles, and exercise regularly. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Comment your thoughts down below and click the card in the right upper corner for more amazing coffee videos.